Good morning, students. Today in this class we just discussed the some important integration method in the indefinite integrations. Already previously we completed three types trigonometric integrations. In that model we completed almost three types. Today we just discussed the fourth type. Okay, if the function integral function, okay, integral function in the form integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. This model, that means in numerator you are having the first degree polynomial, in the second, that means in the denominator you are having the second degree polynomial, okay, quadratic expressions. Or in this model, that means in the denominator you are having without root. Suppose if it is having with root also, there is no problem. Same model, square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Okay, this type of model, or integration of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Okay, these three types model problems. Okay, here what is our working rule mean? Working rule is px plus q, that means numerator value, first degree, not numerator, first degree polynomial equal to a into d by dx of second degree polynomial, what the function given, okay, second degree polynomial plus capital B. Okay, you have to take this condition, compare the coefficients and find capital A and capital B values, submit in the problem, okay, then solve. Okay, we will get the idea, then we have to solve. Okay, so this is our working rule. If the function are in the form integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, or integration of px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx, or integration of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Okay, these three types models, what is our working rule is px plus q equal to capital A into d by dx of that second degree polynomial ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. Okay, after do this process, just compare the coefficients on both sides and find the capital A and capital B values. In the place of px plus q you have to submit this value. Okay, then we have to solve. This is our procedure. Okay, in this type, now we have to take one problem and we just solve that. We will get the good idea on this type model problems. Okay, right. So this is our concept. Now we have to take one problem, right? So now I am erasing. In this type 4 I am taking one problem. Evaluate integration of square root of x minus 5 by x minus 7 into dx. X minus 5 by x minus 7 into dx. Understand? Actually this problem is not in our model. So we have to convert that into that model. So I will do one thing in the solution. First I am taking that square root of x minus 5 by x minus 7, this total into dx. In the next step I am taking that x minus 5 into x minus 7. Okay, I am just multiply by x minus 5, numerator and denominator, x minus 7 into x minus 5. So here you just observe that in numerator we are having x minus 5 whole square. So finally I am getting x minus 5. In denominator I am getting that x minus 7 into x minus 5 into dx. So our problem is becoming like this: x minus 5 by, what is that, square root of x square minus 5x minus 7x minus 12x plus 35 into dx. Now it is in the form of px plus q, integration of px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c model. So actually we are having this model, but the problem is given like this. Suppose the problem is given directly like this, you just go from this step. Okay, now I am modifying this problem into like this model. Now here what is our working rule? Px plus q equal to, okay, that means x minus 5 equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 12x plus 35 plus capital B. This is our working rule. So x minus 5 equal to capital A into 2x minus 12 plus b. That means 2ax minus 12a plus b equal to x minus 5. Compare the coefficients. Here what is the x coefficient? Our right hand side 2a. Here x coefficient 1. Okay, compare coefficients. So 2a equal to 1, a equal to, what is that, 1 by 2. A already I am getting the value 1 by 2. Next minus 12a plus b, constant value this side, equal to minus 5. So minus 12 into 1 by 2 plus b equal to minus 5. 12 it is cancelled 6 times. So b equal to 6 minus 5. So capital B equal to 1. Capital B equal to, what is the value? 1. Submit. Okay, in 1, what is the x minus 5? What is the, you can take this one. 1 as you take this one, Roman number 1. Submit in 1. What is the x minus 5? What is the a? 1 by 2 into 2x minus 12 plus b. Plus b means 1. If you have the doubt, is it correct or not, you just verify like this. 2x by 2, 2 get cancelled, x only. Minus 12 by 2, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. That means we are reducing it into 2 parts. Okay, submit in problem. Submit in problem. So in the place of x minus 5, okay, in the place of x minus 5, I have to take 1 by 2 into 2x minus 12 plus 1 by square root of, what is that? X square minus 12x plus 35. Okay, this total into dx. I am modifying into 2 parts. 2x minus 12 by square root of x square minus 12x plus 35 into dx. This is the first part, plus integration of 1 by square root of x square minus 12x plus 35 into dx. Okay, so this is the I1, this is I2. Okay, So I am taking, this is the capital I, integration value is this one. Therefore capital I equal to I1 plus I2. That means I am taking the integration values, individually. Okay, I will find the integration values individually. Then after finding that values, you just submit here. Okay, after finding that, you just submit here. Capital I equal to this one. Okay, right. Now I will take the I1, first integration value. It is very easy. You just observe that integration of, this is the f of x. In numerator you are having f dash of x. Integration of f dash of x into dx by square root of f of x. What is our answer? 2 root of f of x. 2 root of f of x. Already we are having. I am just applying that values. First I am writing the I1 value here. After completing that, I will take that values. Okay. Here I am taking the I1. I1 is 1 by 2 into square root of 2x minus 12 by square root of x square minus 12x plus 35 into dx. Here I am using the formula f dash of x by square root of f of x, already we are having, into dx. So what is this formula? 2 into square root of f of x plus c. Okay, I am using this formula. So what is the I1? 1 by 2 into square root of f of x. In this place I am having x square minus 12x plus 35. 2 get cancelled. So what is the I1 value? Square root of x square minus 12x plus 35. If anyone have the interest, you just write down these values also. Square root of x minus 7 into x minus 5, both are same. Okay, it is completed. This is the I1 value. Next I have to find the I2 value. Next, the only remaining value is I2. Now I have to solve that I2 value. Okay, I think up to this you are not having the doubts. Okay, I am just converting given problem into the function integration of px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx model. Here what is the working rule? Px plus q equal to a into d by dx of second order polynomial plus capital B. From this I have to solve the a comma b values, submit these values in the given problem. It is converting into two factors, two integral values, I1 and I2. I put the names. Okay, first I am finding the I1 value. Okay, next I have to solve the value of I2. What is our final value of integral value? I equal to, I means our given problem equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, I will get that. So up to this, okay, I completed the I1. Now I am taking the I2 value. Now I am erasing. Okay, here I am taking the I2. What is the I2? Integration of 1 by square root of x square minus 12x plus 35. Okay, so this is the I2 value. Now I am erasing this. I am just putting this value like this only. Okay, so I1 up to this completed. I am just putting that side. So I2 equal to square root of 1 by, already I know this. Okay, clarification. A square minus 2 into a into b. Okay, plus 35 into dx. So I2 equal to 1 by integration of 1 by square root of x square minus 2ab plus b square. Plus b square means plus 36 minus 36. Okay, plus 35 into dx. So I can write that integration of 1 by square root of, up to these three terms I can write that x minus 6 whole square minus 36 plus 35 means minus 1. 1 I can write 1 square also. Now you just check that it is in the form of the formula integration of 1 by square root of x square minus a square. X square minus a square. Already we are having the two formulas for this. Integration of 1 by square root of x square minus a square. So this formula is I2 equal to cos h inverse of x by a, x by 1, or cos h inverse of, or you can write like this also, log of x plus, x means in the place of x minus 6 plus square root of x square minus a square. You can write this value. Okay, so what is that? X square minus 12x plus 35. Okay, you can write like this also. In both you can take any one. So now I am choosing this one. Already I given the formulas. Okay, so this is the I2. Okay, so I1 and I2 both are completed. So what is the integration value? I equal to, our given problem is x minus 5 by square root of x minus 5 by x minus 7 into dx. Okay, so what is this value? I1 plus I2 square root of x square minus 12x plus 35 plus cos h inverse of x minus 6. Simple answer I am writing. Okay, so what is our final answer is this one. Okay, in textbooks if they taken log of x plus, if that formula, you can choose that formula. Okay, don't worry about. Okay, I am already given the two formulas. You can choose any one. Okay, here I am taking that cos h inverse, very simple thing, cos h inverse of x by a. In the place of x I am having x minus 6 by a value is 1. So it is very simple. So this is our final solution. Okay, in that procedure I am getting the two integral values. Okay, I am finding the two integral values separately. In final step I have to add the both the values, then I will get the final solution of the given integral function. Okay, the most important thing is we have to convert that problem in the form integration of px plus q by square root or square without square root. So I already given the three models. In that any model if it is having, you have to do like this only. Already we discussed about the working rule. You just go in that model, then only you will get the solution easily. Otherwise it will become very critical. Understand? So like this you have to choose the problems. Many problems we are having in the textbooks. Okay, you just try. Suppose the given problem is in direct that method, you just go. Otherwise I have to just convert that after 2-3 steps. I have to convert that into that model. Understand? Okay, right. Thank you.